I hope you like it. I'll be interested to hear how it goes for you. Definitely message me and let me know how it goes. We need to unbox another unknown.
We do.
Okay, so you guys, how it works is we're going to unbox this. This was sent to us by the company. This is sponsored. There's 2 inside. There's 2 of these inside the box, so you can start guessing what it is. One of them will go on the prize wheel, and we'll open the other one and show you. Super fun stuff.
And as soon as I can get in there.
Awesome. Is there a box inside a box? It's a box inside a box. Okay. Oh, it's 2 boxes. Okay. Can we show the box? Oh, that tells what it is. Okay, I can show the bottom of the box. So here's the bottom of the box. This is what it looks like. Shelves. You're kind of close, PC Phil. They would be for a specific area of the house. Specific room in the house. So you're kind of close with shelves. I'm going to give it to you, PC Phil. Bathroom shelves. Yes, specifically for where in the bathroom? Specifically where in the bathroom? Kitchen? No. It is the bathroom. Shower shelves. Yay, PC Phil. You got it. I'm going to give you 2 extra draws because you were the first to get it, and then you were the last to get it. So over the toilet, bathroom hanger. Yes, it's shower.
You never said bathroom shelves. They got the right room.
Bathroom shelves. Okay, we'll give it. Well, it was PC Phil.
Oh, it's PC Phil.
Yeah, PC Phil got it every time. Yeah.
Yeah, so 2 draws. Congratulations.
Yeah. Awesome. Jenny said shower.
Cool.
Cool.
So
I'm gonna get this onto the carousel, and then we can talk about it.
All right.
So let me go find it. This is from a company called Kincmax.
Or
Kincmax. Maybe that could be it.
Dun, dun, dun. So
we're
just gonna have a quick
there's
one.
a 15% discount on this today, too.
15% discount on it, guys.
Looks like it, yeah. I like it when they have discounts for me. Okay, so I've got it hidden. I've got it highlighted below. PC Phil goes, oh, my audiobook is 7 hours long to listen to. It'll go by really fast, trust me. Especially
probably about 7 hours.
Yeah, probably about 7 hours. But it'll go by fast. You'll be like, what the heck?
On Audible, you can actually change the speed to 1. You can make it slower or faster. I have my audiobook set at 1 1/4, so it's a little bit faster.
I do too. So I can listen to them faster.
So this is the Kincmax or Kincmax Simple Life is the best, and this is the shower caddy. So
it's a shower caddy. Cool. Nice.
Out.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
We have 4 little hooks here that slip off the computer. We have little plastic hooks that you stick onto the wall.
So it's a 3M that sticks onto the wall, probably, or kind of a 3M.
Yep.
Cool.
And so these little hooks will hook into.
So you just peel the back off. You're just going to peel this back off right here, and you just stick it right on the wall, and then the hooks fit in there.
There you go. We'll hang off those. There we go. Hold that.
Oh, okay. I get what these hooks. These hooks are to hang on the shelf itself to hang other items on.
Like
if you've got like a loofah, yeah,
or something like that. So this is them. You have one slightly larger than the other.
And you can separate. You can put them apart like this. So you put them like that.
Yeah. Is one larger than the other? Yeah. This one's slightly bigger than this one.
Slightly bigger.
Thought so. I thought this one came inside that one.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
No.
How did they?
I don't know.
How did they get in the box?
It's like one of those puzzle things that you have to put back together.
It's weird.
Good thing you're not going to have to put that back in the box.
But yeah, so you set them on the wall. You can even, with those stickers, you could even have one sideways, one over the other end, and hang your hooks off here. So you got it.
Or you can put them on wherever you want it, actually.
Put them next to each other. So sweet combination. Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. And they're really high quality. The metal feels really good. And it looks nice. I think it looks nice.
Yeah, metal.
It's like a matte kind of metal, like a matte finish on there. It looks real nice.
Like a matte powder coating kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like that powder coating. Yeah. Very cool. So yeah, so this is available. One's gonna go on the prize wheel. It is on sale today for $33.99. I don't know if there's any other extra coupons on it. But when we get a chance, we'll go look, or if one of you guys wants to take a peek at that for us, let us know.
Sideways.
Sideways.
There we go. That's how it was.
Oh, okay. Came in sideways.
I knew
you weren't gonna finish until you could figure that out, right?
I'm like, I just literally pulled this out of here. How come not?
How come it won't go back in?
So yeah, it's a little wider than it is deeper. So
very cute. Very cute. And they're adhesive and they're adjustable. So you can adjust them wherever you want them, and
peel
then they peel. Yeah, we had another set of these, and what I liked about them is that when we took them off the wall, it didn't affect the wall at all, and it stayed, because I have another one of those ones that it's got suction cups, and you stick it and you turn the suction cups to get it close to the wall, and that one falls on me all the time. How do we get a chance at the wheel? Well, Amazon customer, we need your name. We need your name, and we need your name to be something other than Amazon customer, because you're all Amazon customers.
Because what happens to get on the wheel, all you do is comment in the chat that you're here, and then we put your name on the wheel of names. We spin the wheel of names. Whoever's name shows up, they let us know that they're still here. Then we go over the prize wheel, we spin the prize wheel, and you get your prize. We need to know that you're still here if your name shows up by commenting in the chat, because there's specific things we have to double check. Sometimes the prizes have more than one option. We need to know which option you prefer. And we also need to make sure that we get your shipping address, because we personally ship it to you. And that's why having a name other than Amazon customer is necessary, just because if we say, hey, Amazon customer 1, 100% of the people that are here on this chat are Amazon customers. So we need a more personal note.
Amazon customer asked how to fix that, and we have our resident tech guy in the house, PC Phil, to tell us how to change that. And so he just did that. Go to your Amazon profile, gave it under your account. Yep. And we're gonna spin the wheel, Amazon customer, and I want you to get in on that. So tell us what you're gonna change your name to, and we'll add that on the prize wheel right now, because we're about to spin it. So we would love to hear what you're gonna change that name to, Amazon customer.
And it can't be Batman. That's all I take.
That's Jamie's. Yeah, Jamie. Oh no, I accidentally told. Surprised you didn't shush me right away.
Well, I just said it can't be Batman. It's already taken.